Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today working on my dad's 2013 GMC 2500 HD. I did a LED backup lighting upgrade not too long ago, and I had trouble with the driver's side light coming on. I played with it, messed with the harness, got it working. But you can see it has stopped working again. And like I said I was going to do, I was going to pick up a harness. So I did pick up a harness. I got it laying over on the bench. We're going to take a look at it. I'll show you what I'm going to replace. So here's the harness that I'm going to replace right here. It plugs into, I showed you this before, there's like a junction box in the back there behind the bumper. I'll show you in a sec where it's at, but it's just a junction box, and it has the tail lights, and then the bumper plugs into it, and I believe that's it. But anyway, this is the harness I went with. It's a GM part, AC Delco. So that's the one for the GMC. Now your Chevys, I think, might be different because they do have different taillights, the Chevys and the GMCs of this generation truck. So it's not real hard. You just got to unplug it again from that junction box. To unplug it, you kind of, I like to push it in farther, and then you push this tab down right here, and then you can unplug it. That'll unlock it. And then it has two spots in there that it is clipped in. And these are, I'm actually going to take these off, and I'm just going to use the ones that are on the truck now. I'm just going to unclip them. And you just need a little screwdriver to do that. Okay, so to unclip these clips, you just take a small screwdriver and you get in here and you just release that, and then you can take these clips off. Okay, so then the rest of these just twist into the tail light. And what I think is bad is, I believe this one right here is the reverse light. No, it ain't. It's this one green one right here. And I think what's bad is this plug-in. Something in here. There's a circuit board or something that has gone bad in the backup light one. Because all the rest of them still work. But I think it's something inside here that's messed up. Because I tested the wires and everything. It has power. It just won't turn on the backup light. So I'm going to get in here, replace this. It's pretty easy. I know it sounds hard, changing a tail light harness, but it really isn't that hard. Alrighty guys, so we're going up under the truck, and there, right there, is that junction box that I was telling you about. There's 4 plugs going to that. You're after that one actually in the center of the screen there. It's white or grayish color. It's got the green wire coming out of it. So we're just going to unplug that. Well, and you can see actually I don't have it clipped. There's one of the clips right there, and it continues on, and there's another clip right there, and then it goes inside the box right there. That's the back of your tail light. You can see through there. So I'm going to get this all unclipped, and I'm going to have it dangling here ready to pull the tail light out. Okay, so there's my harness unhooked, and it's just dangling there. I'm going to pull the tail light off, and I'm going to pull my harness out through the hole of the tail light there. Okay, so I just got my tail light off. It's just 2 screws, guys, to pull them off. They've been mounted that way since the 80s. But I'm just pulling the harness up through. There's a big hole in there. There's my original GM harness, and I'm going to just twist them, pull them out, twist it, pull it out, twist it, pull it out, twist it, pull it out. So I'm just going to swap over all the bulbs to my new harness. Okay guys, so I got my bulbs all swapped over. This harness is the exact same as the old harness, same colors, same everything. And the only thing I did different was I put a good glob of dielectric grease in all the bulb sockets, just so we don't get no corrosion happening. So I'm going to connect the bulbs here. Should go on just like the factory harness. I mean, everything should seal up just as nice because this is factory harness, so this is not aftermarket junk. So it should all fit really nice, and it does. Excellent. Everything seals up good, goes on great. I'm just going to drop this down the hole there. Going to snap my light in because this has two pins back here, and they've got to snap in. I'm going to put my screws in here. I'm actually not going to tighten it down yet. I'm going to go down there, I'm going to clip it in the harness like I showed you, them two clips. I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to test it before I put these screws all the way in. Okay guys, so a moment of truth, test her out. There we go. So problem solved. Like I said, I think it's inside that reverse bulb socket. I think there's something going on. But Dad was really loving these lights when they were both working. He says they really put off a good amount of light. So he's real happy. It's a little disappointing that, what is this, 2013? So a little disappointing that the harness only lasted 7 years, but I guess things can happen, guys. Anything can break. But I guess that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it's helped some people out. And I guess I'll see you guys.